one of the really important ingredients that I talk to my clients about is incorporating a retinol into their routine. And that's really for anybody, I would say over 30, as long as you're not breastfeeding or pregnant or trying to become pregnant. It's a really important product from an anti-aging standpoint, because what it's going to do is improve the wrinkles you have, prevent future wrinkles, and just improve the texture. And it does this by increasing the amount that the cells turn over on our skin's surface. So as we age, our skins start to slow down essentially in that process. So those dead skin cells can kind of sit on the surface and sort of make the skin wrinkle more and get bumpy and not look as fresh and youthful as we might like. So there's a couple different versions. We carry a Tretinoin, and Tretinoin's a really nice form. Your body doesn't have to do too much to utilize it, so it's very, very effective. It can be irritating to some people, so I always suggest starting very slow, maybe once or twice a week. We also do offer an option that's a serum. That's really nice too. And then again, you can buy these online as well. They're definitely not going to be as strong, but I would rather you do that than not do it at all. The other ingredients that I recommend for healthy skin, and especially aging skin, is going to be vitamin C. And I recommend using a vitamin C in the mornings. It's going to help with brightening and protect your skin throughout the day. Hyaluronic acid, really, really important as far as hydration. I use this multiple times a day, but at least morning and night for just keeping your skin nice and hydrated. And the other thing that's important to incorporate is some sort of exfoliation. So we have like the glycolic pads and we have a glycolic moisturizer. That's a really nice way to sort of work with your retinol. So what you're going to do is use the exfoliant one night, and then the next night, as long as you're not too irritated, you would use your retinol. Then you'd give yourself a couple days break in between. So that's a great, way to incorporate and really improve that skin texture and prevent those future lines. Then the other thing, as always, is a sunscreen. And a lot of the data right now is showing sunscreens that have the ingredient iron oxide are the most effective for things like melasma, which is very hormonally based. As far as the order goes, I already sort of told you from an exfoliation evening standpoint with the retinol and the glycolic, but what you can do for vitamin C is in the mornings. You definitely use that only mornings, and then hyaluronic acid you can use twice a day. So hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions, and hope you're doing well. Bye.